Buddhism is a philosophy and religion that originated in India over 2,500 years ago. It was founded by Siddhartha Gautama, who became known as the Buddha, or the Enlightened One. The Buddha's teachings revolve around the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. The Four Noble Truths are: 1. The truth of suffering, which states that suffering is an inherent part of life. 2. The truth of the cause of suffering, which is desire and attachment. 3. The truth of the cessation of suffering, which is attainable through the cessation of desire and attachment. And 4. The truth of the path to the cessation of suffering, which is the Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path consists of right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. These 8 elements work together to help individuals overcome suffering and attain enlightenment. Buddhism emphasizes the impermanence and interconnectedness of all things. It teaches that attachment to things that are impermanent and constantly changing is the root of suffering. By letting go of attachments and desires, individuals can achieve a state of inner peace and happiness. Buddhism also emphasizes the importance of ethical behavior, including the practice of compassion and non-harm towards all living beings. The concept of karma, or the idea that actions have consequences, is central to Buddhist thought. Buddhism does not believe in a supreme being or creator, but rather focuses on individual experience and personal responsibility for one's own life. Meditation is a key practice in Buddhism, as it helps individuals develop mindfulness, concentration, and insight. Overall, Buddhism offers a philosophy of life that emphasizes the importance of mindfulness, ethical behavior, and compassion towards all living beings. It provides a path towards inner peace and enlightenment through the development of personal understanding and responsibility.